pink tac-toe. And I'm sorry if the other videos were freezing. I don't know why it does that, but we're gonna do this, and I think we finished. I think we finished the I think we did easy, then we did medium, and I think we did hard. But if I didn't, I'll recheck the videos.
I've never seen you before. I'm Pinkie Pie. What's your name?
And I'll figure
What's
it out.
your name?
So yeah, we're back here with Pinkie Pie. Dumb horse. So she likes to play games with her new friends, even though we played with her multiple times.
I challenge you.
Okay. Okay. So we did easy. We did normal. I don't think we did hard. I don't think we did difficult. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Yes, we are on hard, so this is gonna be part 3. You can see that in the title. And, I guess let's get started. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna go for the middle. Go for here.
This will solve everything.
If I go there, she'll win. So let's try this.
Let's do it again.
How about let's not? That face, I swear.
This will solve everything. I mean, really, who can top that?
She could have gone any way. How did I not see that? Go for middle. Again.
Awesome!
Okay, well, Pinkie Pie keeps on winning. Let's try tricking her in her own game.
This will solve everything. I win! Okie dokie dokie.
Well, I know why people say this is hard. And I clicked the middle, I didn't click that one.
Choices, choices, choices.
Choices, choices, choices.
Awesome!
How the hell did you...
I can see you're having lots of fun.
Actually, no, I'm not.
I knew I was going to have to keep a close eye on you.
Whatever. And she's gonna go for either one of these. Let's just flip and pick one.
And I'm smartest.
Who cares? No one cares. Pinkie Pie.
Isn't this exciting? Pinkie Pie?
Holy crap, it's Twilight.
World of Equestria are you up together?
It's Twilight.
Sorry. I don't get it.
Of course you don't get it.
Isn't this exciting?
It's Pinkie's rules. The hell was that for? At least just let me win once. I'm begging you, let me win once, Pinkie Pie. And of course you don't. Okay, now that is
got a
just
little something on your face there.
disgusting.
I am just about to be brilliant!
That was just disgusting. I keep falling for the tricks again. There's a shake a head thing, whatever it's called.
Boring!
Well, that's what you get. You get 6 ones. I got 0 ones. And game 1 is 3.
Twitch!
Yeah, it's a twitchy twitch. Whatever. No one cares, Pinkie Pie. And again, we're stuck with these size things again. That's just disgusting.
Something on your face there.
You're gross. Use a tissue. That's disgusting. That was just
What's wrong?
You is what's wrong. Ah, you flippin'.
Oh.
Fun.
No hard feelings.
Whatever, we're playing again. This time we're gonna try beating her in her own game.
Okie dokie dokie.
We're gonna go there. We're gonna go here. Don't you do it again. Okay, so I did get it. Okay, so we won 1 game. Let's see if we can do it again. Put that one there. Put that one here. Put that one here.
Choices.
And then go there. Okay. There's Gummy, the alligator. Toothless alligator, actually. Oh boy. Okay, we're gonna do it again.
Choices.
Middle.
Check it out.
Side. Side.
Isn't this exciting?
And there. This is actually quite fun at most of the time, and there's the sad eyes.
I am just about to be brilliant.
Actually, Pinkie, you're not going to be brilliant. And she... Oh, wait,
This will
no.
solve everything.
Let me see. Let me see. Yes.
This is terrible.
There's Rarity. I'm surprised we haven't seen Rainbow Dash through this whole thing.
Do you really want that?
Yes, you can't tell me what to do.
You can't break the rules.
We're not breaking the rules. This is the way.
Hi, Pinkie Pie.
Well, now we jinxed it. There's Rainbow Dash. Nothing solves nothing, Pinkie Pie. And oh boy.
No
And she trapped us again.
Game on.
Game on, whatever.
I'm intrigued.
She's intrigued. Well, I don't care. I don't care.
I knew it.
What the hell? I didn't make a single move yet.
Choices.
We have to figure this out.
I'm not taking any chances. That was totally unbelievable.
Yeah, well, you didn't win nothing, actually. Okay, go
This
from
will solve
middle.
everything.
Go to side. Side.
This will solve everything.
You twitchy bit, you witch.
But are you serious?
Don't get mad at me. Up. And it's Pinkamena time. Yes, I love Pinkamena. This is my most best pony because she's a creepypasta.
No.
Don't think about it. Thank you. Well, look. I'm going to go here.
Well, that's not very nice.
You're not very nice because you're a creepypasta. You kill ponies for cupcakes.
Oh no.
Yeah, no. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
really need to get out more?
Well, I've been out, so, even though I'm sick, I've been out and I'm trying to get better. I've been drinking a lot of water and I got my tooth filled. Yes, after my doctor's appointment, I went to my dental appointment. Got my tooth capped. I'll show you guys that in the next video tomorrow. I can't go to my homeschool class in the morning or in the afternoon because my computer died. And you quit it, Pinkie Pie. I'm not doing nothing, just playing by the rules.
No!
Pinkie Pie, chill. But yeah, in the next video on live stream, I'll show you guys the tooth of what they did. It actually feels really comfortable. It's comfortable because I'm getting used to it. Crazy face. Excuse me. And if people say that girls can't, you know, the girls can't fart, it's just, well, boys out there, or should I say people out there, actually, ignore the boy thing, when just people out there say that it's gross that girls fart, and some girls need to loosen up. Well, I don't know how to put it in the right way, but girls know that people need to know that it's
No!
Shut up, Pinkie. Girls fart because I did not put that there.
What are you laughing at?
Girls.
This may look like fun, but it's not.
Girls fart because people, after people eat something and they go number 2, it doesn't mean that it's inappropriate for someone to, like, use the bathroom. And even if a girl stinks it up, it doesn't give people the rights to be misjudged.
Oh no!
I wouldn't. I don't like people misjudging me if I ever tooted in front of them. It's not right for people to judge others. But I wouldn't judge a single person who has the gases or farts. I won't judge them. I really don't. I toot, but I keep it quiet because
This may look like fun, but it's not.
it's more than me being embarrassed. So that's why I won't even try to do that around people that I like. People that I like, I won't
You're up to something.
toot as loud as some girls do. It's not my thing.
You are not going to say anything, are you?
Nope. But I hope you all know that it's not right to judge people for who they are or for what they do. Pretty much the thing.
No!
So this is all I have for the video. I hope you all liked it. Please stab that like button. I'll see you all in the next video.